Boston is experiencing a tremendous amount of construction. But what's unique in the sign business is you have new products, new methods, new ways of doing things, but you're still building a physical thing that's going to be mounted someplace in the space of the world that people are going to interact with.
Almost every project we've installed in Boston has a unique situation. Probably one of the most unique situations was inside of a building where we created this large double-sided 99 that hangs from the second story of the interior of 99 Summer Street. The weight of the sign and lifting it into place brought on its own set of challenges, almost as unique and challenging as it is to work off of a 150-foot, 190-foot crane.
When you get into these signs on the high rises and whatnot, there's a lot of steps involved to execute that work. You just can't get just some sign company to do it. The experience goes a long way.
Paying attention to the details like that, the materiality and how to do these faux paint finishes and make the letters really reflect the character of the architecture of that building, opened the door to a lot of the other signage that you now see in Boston.
Warrior Ice Arena, all the letters look like they're ice. They spend weeks and weeks of playing around with different materials and different paints and different finishes.
We want to embrace the changes, and now it's all of a sudden part of what they see every day, and it becomes like the vocabulary of the city. And that's what makes the job so rewarding and so interesting.
Every job that we do is unique. We're not building things and putting them in a box and sending them on their way. Every job has its own challenges.
It really takes everyone to do their part to make a project successful.